Hi and welcome back to my channel. This particular video is for people with a curved screen phone, mainly Samsung users, but there's a couple other brands now that have followed suit. I think the curved screen looks nice but really is impractical, very easy to break, but that's a separate video. So recently I just dropped my phone. Lucky I had a really good case on. I've done a separate review on this. It's one of the highest rated 5-star cases on Amazon. I can't pronounce it, but there's a separate video on that. Great grip, very lightweight, protects the tops and bottoms, and more importantly, it's got that lovely grip on the side. That saved the phone, just to let you know it, no question about it. The screen protector did kind of crack. It came off, and so I went to Samsung. The phone was intact. I went to Samsung. I'm currently based in Thailand. I went to their authorized repair center, and they no longer, I don't know if they ever did, but offer a screen protector. But they told me to go to the Samsung proper shops, which I did, where they said I can buy an authorized screen protector. Cut a long story short, I went there to a particular Samsung 100% kosher store, and they sold me this screen protector, which doesn't mention the word Samsung anywhere. It was nearly $30. They did install it, to be fair. They did a good job of the installation. It's one of those that uses the ultraviolet ultraviolet glue, rather. And it was terrible, frankly. The fingerprint never worked. It was a waste of money. I took it off. Here is the actual glass. They had fantastic claims, this product. Make a note of the product. I do not recommend it, but maybe that's just my own view, but really just was diabolical. And I think during the installation, they may have even got some glue into the microphone, because that's causing me a few problems at the moment. Here it is, very fine glass, but I think all the glass now has the same problem. The fingerprint sensor, which is not brilliant on the Note 10 Plus anyway, or the S20 or the S20. These are not great protectors. Right. Okay. So this company, so I gave up on that, and whilst I'm waiting for one from the States, I ordered a very cheap, how much is like 60 baht is, how much is 60 baht, Thai? How much is 60 baht?
$2.
Yeah, $2 case. Screen protector. This is it. I'm going to show you the video on the installation. It got a couple of good reviews. I had very low expectations. It doesn't come with any instructions. It's basically a film, and it came in this nice packaging though, and clean wipes and the installation thing here. I'm going to do an installation. I'll speed that up, but you'll get an idea. Then I'll do a review. But I do have low expectations until I get my American one. But I don't feel happy just using this without a screen protector, even though without a case and without a screen protector, it is pretty fabulous, but too expensive to drop, especially with glass on both sides. So now we're going to go on to cleaning the phone and try to follow the instructions. Supposed to do, but so much rubbish. This is
Even straight.
Nice straight, actually. Now, as you can see,
That's funny. Horrible job.
this may not be a product I would recommend. It does, actually, one thing I'm going to try out, even though, and maybe even worth ordering a few more of this nature, but let's see.
Show me.
As you can see, that has got to be the most perfect job you've ever seen of a screen protector.
Such a shame. Okay, one more time.
It's got marks there. The worst instructions ever. And let me just see if the pen would work without leaving marks. God, what a terrible product. And he only sends you one. Now, if it doesn't leave marks, I'll probably order for 60 baht. How much you said in dollars?
$2.
$2. I may order a couple more just to find out. Let me have a look. Okay, let me...
You work on it? No.
And as you can see, the marks on this are terrible.
I cannot see. Okay.
Can't see them?
Oh, yeah.
Tap to focus here, Ty. Tap on your screen. And I'm going to write. Actually, to be fair, isn't
Not see the mark. No.
No, the marks are not bad, no? No? Yeah, you can see them, though, if you get the...
A little bit, yeah.
Let me, I'll tell you, maybe on a brighter screen. Okay. Let me go to, I'll say there's a white page here. Actually, the marks are not bad. You have to know where they are, and maybe that would go, the textures, when I can find a smooth part. See, on the black Tyler, I'm just going to carry on marking it there. Now, these marks may go. I can see them pretty clearly from where I am. I am looking for them. How's the texture? Let me go to a no, do a new note. Actually, I could put up with the texture. It's not bad. It's definitely nowhere near as good as the original screen protector that came on it. Okay, so to sum up, as you can see, that's probably not one of my better installs. That's terrible. One of the worst I've ever done. I hate curved screen protectors. The instructions on this were terrible. They made it look so easy on the video, but it didn't even match up to the video, the screen protector. You do get the pen marks, just to let you know, but they're not bad. I mean, I could almost maybe live with them. The fingerprint, look at that. First time, works every time, unlike the glass screen protectors I've tried. Haven't lost any light or see-through ability. It's just the installation and the bubbles are terrible. What else can I tell you? I'm going to give it only 2 out of 10. I'm going to wait for the next one to come along. Hopefully better than that. I'm also going to write to this company to see if they would send me some more, to see if I can get it a bit better. And if so, I will review my review accordingly. But right now, this is a typical TPU plastic, not plastic, but film screen protector. One of those cheap ones you see on Amazon, everywhere else, all the same. But it doesn't require a wet install, which is good. And the corners are fine. I will put it in my case just to see if the corners do come up. I don't think they will, because it's... No. In fact, if I did a better installation, this wouldn't be a bad install. Maybe, no, it's definitely not going to work, but anyway, on that note, I don't know what to say, really. One of my most embarrassing reviews I've ever done. I will keep you up to date. Stay tuned. Press like. Anyway, even if you didn't like it, press like, it helps. And subscribe for more information on this product. See you soon.